How to fix your Instagram story archive not showing. In this video, I'm going to show you if you are facing this trouble, how to fix it. First, you will have to launch your Instagram. And from here, you want to go to your profile at the bottom right. And if you have any stories to check your archive, you can tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. It will directly lead you to your settings and activity. And here you can see the archive option. Just tap on it. If you have any post archives, it will show up right here. Right now, I don't have any archived posts, so if I go to my story archives by tapping on this drop down, as you guys can see, here are all of the story archives that I've posted before. But if you don't see it, what you can do is tap on these three dots and then go to settings and toggle this option off and keep it off for 10 to 15 seconds and then again turn it on. So if your story archive is having any kind of bug, by resetting this setting, your bug should be fixed. So once you do that, make sure to restart the app and check if your story archive is working again. But if it's still not working, what you can do is go to your phone settings, or you can directly go to your Instagram's app info, and from here go to your storage, clear cache because there are a lot of junk files that might be causing the problem. And once you do that, if you restart your app, your problem should be fixed. And that's how you can easily fix your Instagram story archive not working. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.